Morning friends, today we will see how to square the numbers between the range 75 to 125 by using a short trick which is n square is equal to n plus d comma d square, where n is the number whose square we have to find and this number from the range 75 to 125. D is the distance from the base and for this range base is 100 and the value of d square must be of 2-digit number only. So first we take an example. We take the numbers above base 100. For example, if we find square of 103, here the value of n is 103 plus what is the distance for 103? For 103, the distance is 3 because 3 is the distance from the base 100. So here we write plus 3 comma 3 square. So we get 106 comma 3 square 9. But this is a 1-digit number. To make this number in 2-digit form, we write 9 as a 09. So we get 106, 09 and this is a 2-digit number. So the square of 103 we get is 103 square is equal to 10609. You can check this answer on calculator, then you will get this answer. Now we take next example 104. We find the square of 104 square is equal to, here the value of n is 104 plus the distance for 104 from the base 100 is 4. So here we write 4 comma 4 square. Then we get 104 plus 4, 108 comma 4 square is 16. And this is already 2-digit number. So the square of 104 we get as 10816. You can also check this answer on calculator and you get the same answer. So we take next example as 111. 111 square is equal to, here the value of d is 11 and value of n is 111 plus 11 comma 11 square. 111 plus 11 is equal to 122 comma 11 square is 121. But this is a 3-digit number. We will convert this number into 2-digit by adding this one to its nearest number 2. So we will get 123 comma 21 and this is a 2-digit number. Finally, the square of 111 we get as a 12321 and this is the correct answer. Now, if we have to find the square of 1.12, then first we find square of 112. Here the value of d is 12. So 112 square is equal to 112 plus 12 comma 12 square. So we get 124 comma 12 square is 144. This is again a 3-digit number. To convert it into 2-digit, we add this one to here. So finally we get 125, 44 and this is a 2-digit number. So finally we get the square of 112 as 12544. But here we have to find the square of 1.12. So we will write the decimal point after 4 digits from right side. So 1.2544. This is the correct answer for the square of 1.12. In this way, we find the squares of the number above base 100, where it is the distance from the base 100 and which is positive. Now we take the examples below base 100. So first we take the example. Now we find the square of 89. 89 square is equal to, for this number the distance d from the 100 is minus 11. So here we write 89 plus minus 11 comma minus 11 whole square. We get 89 minus 11, answer is 78, comma 11 square is 121. But this is a 3-digit number. So to make it 1 digit, we add this number here. So finally we get 79,21. So the square of 89 is 7921. We take next example as a 90. 90 square is equal to, here the value of d is minus 10. So we write 90 plus minus 10 comma minus 10 square. So here we get 80 comma 10 square is 100. This is a 3-digit number. To make it 2 digit, we add this here. So we get 81 comma 00. So finally we get the square of 90 is equal to 8100, which is the correct answer. Now we take 92. 92 whole square is equal to 92 plus, here the value of d is minus 8. So here we write minus 8 comma minus 8 whole square. So we get here as 84 comma 8 square is 64, which is already 2-digit number. No need to convert it into 2-digit number. So the square of 92 is, 92 square is equal to 8464. Now if we have to find the square of 97 or 93, let me take example 97. For 97 the distance d is minus 3. So here we write 97 plus minus 3 comma minus 3 whole square. So we get 94 comma 3 square is 9. But this is a 1-digit number. To make it 2-digit, we write 9 as a 09. So 94,09, and this is 2-digit number. So finally we get the square of 97 as 9409, and this is the correct answer. From this you also find the square of 9.7 is equal to, we write decimal point after 2 digits from right side. So we get 94.09 as the correct answer. In this way you can find the square of numbers between the range 75 to 125. Only we have to recall this trick, and the base for this trick is 100. And d is the distance from the base, and value of d square must be of 2-digit number only. So practice more and then you will get the perfection. Now we can find the squares of the numbers near to 1000. For this the trick is same, only the difference is base for this trick is 1000 because we have taken the numbers nearer to 1000. The short trick is n square is equal to n plus d comma d square, where d square must be of 3-digit number. Since for the numbers near to 1000, the value of d square is 3-digit number and base is 1000. So we take first example as 991. For this the value of d is the distance from the base 1000. So for this the value of d is minus 9. So we find the square of as n plus b comma d square. So we get here as 982 comma minus 9 square is 81, but this is a 2-digit number. To convert it into 3-digit, we write 81 as a 081 because this is the number near to 1000, and for 1000, for the numbers nearer to 1000, the base is 1000 and the value of d square is 3-digit number. So we write as 982, 081. So we get the square of 991 as 982081. So by using this trick you can find the square of numbers nearer to 1000. Next example, square of 1050. Here the value of d is plus 15. So 1015 whole square is equal to 1015 plus d is 15 comma 15 square. So we get 1030 comma 15 square is 225, and this is a 3-digit number already. So finally we get the square of 1050 as 1030225. You can check this answer on calculator, then you will get the same answer. Now if we have to find the square of 10.15, then we have to write the decimal point after 4 digit from right side. Then we get the square of 10.15 as 103.0225. This is the square of 10.105. So by using this trick you can easily find the squares of the numbers nearer to 1000.